Now we're going to look at word problems that lead to inequalities. And for this lesson, we're just going to look at how we can walk through word problems and solve the inequalities. So to do this, we're going to create inequalities from the word problems and solve the inequalities. Now let's look at some keywords. When you see at least, it means greater than a specific value. When you see no more than, it means less than or equal to a particular quantity. When you see more than, it's greater than. When you see less than, you know what that means. It's less than. So let's look at the first word problem. It says Noah has $600 in a savings account at the beginning of the fall. He wants to have at least $300 in the account by the end of the fall. He withdraws $50 each week. How many weeks can he withdraw money from the account? So he starts off with, so let's look at starting balance is going to be $600. Weekly withdrawal, that is going to be $50. He wants to have at least $300, so final balance should be greater than $300, greater than equal to $300. So he starts out with 600 and he has a withdrawal, which is a subtraction from the account, of $50 each. He has a withdrawal of $50 each week and he wants to end up with at least $300. So now this is the equation we're going to solve. So let's do this. We're going to subtract 600 from both sides. We can ignore the units for now and then we'll use it at the end. So this is going to give us negative 50x greater than or equal to negative 300. Let's divide both sides by negative 50. Negative 50. So x, and then we have 6. Because we're dividing by negative, we use the opposite sign, which is less than equal to 6. So how many weeks can he withdraw money from the account? No more than 6 weeks. That's the solution to this problem. A taxi driver charges $1.50 flat rate and 25 cents per mile. Jake has no more than $10 to spend on the taxi ride. How many miles can he travel without exceeding his budget? So let's look at flat rate is $1.50. Rate per mile is 25 cents, and he has a budget of $10. So let's write this as an expression. So he starts off with $1.50 and he travels at 25 cents per mile. We don't know how many miles he's traveling, so let's use X for that. And he has no more than $10, so it must be less than equal to 10 because he can exceed $10. So this is the inequality we're going to solve. Let's subtract $1.50 from this, and so 0.25x is less than equal to 8.50. Now we have to divide by 0.25 on both sides. and so x is going to be less than equal to 34 miles. So he can only travel 34 miles on his budget. Okay. And Nathaniel has a budget of $50 to spend on gifts for his wife. He buys a box of chocolates. So let's look at that. The budget is $50. He buys a box of chocolates for $25. So box of chocolates is $25. He also intends to buy roses at $2 per rose. Price per rose is $2. How many roses can he afford to buy? So he spends $50. He has $50 but spends $25 on chocolates. So balance is going to be $50 minus $25, which gives us $25. Now he wants to spend $2 per rose. Okay, so we have $2 per rose, 2x less than equal to 25. So we divide by 2 on both sides, and we get x is less than 12.5. Now less than equal to 12.5. Now he can't exceed $25, so he can only buy 12 roses. Finally, Jim A offers an annual fee of 25. Jim A offers $40 annual fee. So let's write, we have Jim A and we have Jim B. So Jim A offers a $40 annual fee, $40 annual, and $25 monthly. And then Jim B offers just a $30 monthly fee. So after how many months will it be less profitable to own a membership with Jim B? So for it to be less profitable, so let's look at what it's going to cost to own a membership at Gym A. It's going to be $40 plus 25x. And then for Gym B, it's going to be 30x. So after how many months will it be less profitable to own a membership at Gym B? So that means that the cost of owning a membership at Gym B will be greater than the cost of owning a membership at Gym A, or we can say the cost of owning a membership at Gym A is going to be less than the cost of owning a membership at Gym B. So this is going to give us 40 plus 25x is going to be less than 30x. So we're going to subtract 25x from both sides, and then we're left with 40 is less than 5x. So we divide both sides by 5. So 8 is less than x, therefore x must be greater than 8. So this means that it's going to be after more than 8 months, then 8 months. So the number of months will be 9 or more months. Should you expect Gym A to be more profitable than Gym B, or Gym B to be less profitable than Gym A?